subscriber Profe here. I wanted to make a series of videos on what you can take with you to make life just a little bit easier on our trip. I just got back from Florida and I will tell you, I'm going to show you some of the things I took that I was really happy that I brought. So let me first show you what I'm going to talk about and then I will explain each individual item. Here we have a carry-on bag, which I would suggest you use instead of checking your luggage if it's possible. This is my backpack that I carry, the TSA lock, luggage bags, and the TSA approved 3-ounce liquid containers. You can see I have my carry-on bag here. This will go above the seats in the airplane, and if I'm able to fit comfortably my clothes and what I need in here, then that's great, because then I don't have to worry about the airlines losing my luggage or waiting for them to take it off of the plane. So this and the luggage bag go hand in hand. Now some people think this is silly, but I really like it. So you can see here, this is enough clothes for our trip. I might have to wash a shirt or two, but basically this is enough clothes. So I can shove them in here and they fit, but then let's say there's something in there that I want. I have to dig through all of these clothes to find the one thing that I want. And it just takes a lot of time and it's gonna get messy and it just bothers me. So here's what it looks like with the luggage bag. With that amount of clothes, I did need 2 luggage bags, but when you buy them on Amazon, they come in sets of 3. And this one actually still has a lot of room in it. So now instead of a jumbled mess of clothes in my carry-on, I just put that one in there. Slip this one in there. And now it is much more organized. It's neater, and I have plenty of room for other things that I didn't have before. And if you decide you're not doing a carry-on and you're going to check a bag, these also work great in your luggage, your checked luggage as well. It just keeps things organized and neat. Another nice thing is there's this mesh so that if your bag is opened by the TSA, and there's a good chance it will be, they don't have to rummage through all of your things. They can just pull this out, take a look, maybe unzip it if they need to, zip it back, tuck it back in your bag. Speaking of TSA, one of your options, one of the things you need to decide is if you're gonna buy a TSA lock. Now, when I flew a couple years ago, everybody had these TSA locks, some version of this. But when I flew just recently, nobody had it. I have valuable things in my bag, even if they're only valuable to me. And I don't want the zipper suddenly somehow unzipping itself and my things flying across the tarmac. Also, if a thief wants to steal something and they have a choice between an unlocked bag and a locked bag, they're going to go for the unlocked bag. I don't think I would go out and buy these now. I might just use a zip tie or twisty tie instead, but since I already had a couple, I plan on keeping on using them. Okay, now these are something you are going to want to have. You don't have to buy the ones I have from Amazon. Walmart sells them. Walgreens, you can literally buy them anywhere. Just 3-ounce bottles. I will say though, I really like this package. It comes with 4 and also an odd blue cup for mouthwash. I pitched that. You can label them what they are. So I just have shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. This one is currently empty. Not sure, I might put sunscreen in here. They're just nice. They seem very stable, very sturdy. They didn't leak while I was traveling, while they were in the belly of the plane. And you can easily put other things in this bag. For instance, some very helpful things for you to take along would be some Band-Aids, easily goes in that bag. Q-tips, easily fits in that bag. Fingernail clippers, and an emery board. You will be amazed that when you're traveling, it's little things like this that you will miss the most. And all of these can just slip right into this bag. You won't even notice that they're there. And the last thing I want to talk about, the last supply you might need to purchase, is a backpack. And I have to say, I really like it. It is waterproof, which is something that's very important in Costa Rica because Costa Rica is wet and humid. It has a lot of pockets. It has even one hanging in here inside of it. The top rolls down and then you can clip it shut. I had more than 10 pounds worth of carry-on items in here when I flew to Florida, including my laptop, and it held all of them perfectly fine. There was no problem. I was never worried about my stuff in any way. A regular backpack will work fine, but if you're looking for a travel backpack, then I can recommend these guys.